Hey everybody, it's Sandy's from Sandy's Cookbook. I'm going to show you easy recipe for macaroni salad. I've got a bowl here that I've got some macaroni cooked in it. How much macaroni you use depends on how big a bowl you plan on making. I've also got several boiled eggs I've cooked. I'm going to add to this. Okay, wait. There you go. There you go. Cut up your eggs up. You're gonna want to cut up your eggs into slice them all up into little small pieces. And if you're allergic to eggs, you can skip this part. My mom was allergic to them, so I couldn't. Whenever I made this one for her, I couldn't put eggs in it when I made it for her. You just slice it up. I think I'm gonna be able to add the third one. I'll see him later on. Eat him after I get done with this. There, yeah, looks like too much egg. Starting to look more like an egg salad. I'm gonna take some of. It's starting to look more like an egg salad, so I'm gonna take some of that egg out. And alright, that looks about enough. Yeah, I got some mayo. If you want, you can use Miracle Whip instead, whichever your family prefers. Just add some of that to it. Alright, let me open up this other jar. It's about emptied. Add a little more with it. Take the spoon, mix it all up. Like I said, how much you use of each, it just depends on how big of a bowl you're gonna make. Just gonna blend it in real good. Some people put onions in this. I don't like raw onions, so I usually don't put onions in mine. That's something you might like to add. Alright, I'm gonna put a little dab more Miracle Whip mayo in it. And just add it to it. Just mix it up. Just add as much Miracle Whip as depends on how thick you want your Miracle Whip with it. Alright, I'm gonna add another squirt to it. That should be enough. That should be enough right there. You just mix it all up. Just blend it in real good. Yeah, like I said, if you want, you can add onions to it. Like I said, I don't like raw onions. I like onions cooked, I do not like them raw. Just keep mixing it up real good. Once you get it all mixed up real good, you just put a cover on it and stick it in your fridge and get good and cool. It's pretty easy to fix. All you need is macaroni, cook some macaroni, a little bit of eggs. If you don't have somebody eating that's allergic to eggs, and then it's add a little mayo as you go until you get enough in there to uh, easy recipe for macaroni salad. Get a little snack, or you can serve with your dinner. It's a Sandy's cookbook. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I hope you enjoyed. Y'all have a good day.